Hi, my name is Tom, and today we're going to go over remote management of your intelligent home and business with Management Cloud. Today's management of the intelligent home and business is challenging. Provisioning, installation, and maintenance can be costly, complex, and resource heavy. A dealer's reputation is on the line 24/7. Management Cloud provides a dealer with full visibility on all their locations from a single dashboard, allows for easy configuration and control of each location from anywhere in the world. And advanced alerts and notifications allow the dealer to react to a problem often before the owner knows there's an issue. Okay, we'll give you a quick tour of Management Cloud. Once we log in, we're going to go check out our all locations, which is our dashboard of all of our locations. You look at it in card view, list view. We're going to check it out in map view, and we see our location there seems to have an issue. So when you log in, you can see all the devices attached to your location and their status, including software that's configured. So we see that we have an issue with our Google Calendar. So we're going to launch into that location and see what's going on. You can see we're walked right to where the issue is. And we see that Google Calendar it needs to be re-authenticated. So we're just going to go authenticate again. And when we go back, we should see that authentication error go away, and it hits back to OK. So we're going to jump back out, and we're going to launch into Viewer, which is like the homeowner's touchscreen, just to make sure that it will look and work as we expect. So we'll log into Calendar, it'll authenticate, and we should see the Google settings. Yep, and everything looks good. So we'll log out here. So once you've done the work, a collaborative feature in there is that you can add work notes for the location. So everything is tracked. You can run reports on the work notes. Attribution is given. Time durations are calculated. Okay, let's add a location. Simply add the ELAN controller name and admin password. Fill in location details, including location name, the date installed, and the time zone of the location. And then you select the client. You can choose from a pre-existing client or enter a new client here if you like. So we're going to choose a pre-existing. Once the location is added, all your devices are pulled in. All your alerts are automatically generated for those devices. You also have granular control over who has access to each location. Here we'll just add a team member as an installer. To add or edit a client, just go over to the Client tab. We're going to add a client contact to an existing client. Client contacts allow you to add multiple locations for the same client. In case of a franchise, in this case, we are adding new franchise in a different location. So it's the same client, different client contact with a different contact information. So we're going to go back to that location we created and change the client contact, and you'll see the address will update to the new client contact. Client contacts are important because all the reporting for a client contact roll up into the same client record. To manage your team, just head over to the Administration tab. Here you can add and edit users. We're going to add a user here. The system role is the functionality a user has when they log into Management Cloud, essentially that left column. Location permissions, these are the default permissions that get assigned to this user when they're added to a location. Here you can also administer groups. Groups are a bulk method of administering locations and users. Here we'll create a group for our franchise, add locations, add users, and their default permissions. The power of groups is you can add or remove user access to multiple locations with just a few clicks. The search function will look across your locations, your location names, your client names. But it'll also look at the devices and software that's configured on your client systems. In this case, search on Sonos. It'll show me all the locations that have a Sonos installed. Helpful when responding to tech alerts and upsell opportunities. Embedded support options gives access to software downloads, documentation, and training materials, helping make Management Cloud the platform to manage your intelligent home or business. To find out what Management Cloud can do for your business, contact a Nortec salesperson or visit us at elanhomesystems.com.